Got this new coffee maker for Christmas, all posh and everything. And got this little, they say that drinking real bean and cutting your own bean is better than buying it already ground. So I went ahead and I bought this little device, really quite dandy. The way it works is you take this, it's a little grinder, you put the stuff up in here like this, see? Put your things in there. And once you put your beans in there, you take your little protector. Don't need safety glasses for this, by the way. Your handle. Put your handle on here. It's a little hex head nut in there. You grind. And grind. And grind. And grinding for like 2.5 hours to fill this up. What a bunch of shit. They say that the stone inside here is special because you have that granite stone. And I grind. I'm like a mill worker. Look down here. I don't have enough to even, So I found a solution to this problem. Don't need this extra part. What you need is this. Hex head, no problem. There we go. I'll be done in about 10 minutes. 1,000 grams. I love it. And that's what I call engineering.